My name is Fu Qizong. I'm the instructor of the Global Manufacturing course.
Global manufacturing is an exciting collaboration between HKUST and Stanford University. IELM department has offered this course since 1995, and during this time has garnered a great deal of knowledge, involvement, and understanding. Global manufacturing is a project-based course which requires discipline and a high self-learning skill, meeting in select teams and with their professors on a weekly basis. Students are collectively expected to use lateral thinking, creative and innovative skills to focus on a specific real-world collaborate task. The course not only provides the opportunity to interact with company executives, it also gives a great chance for students to gain the invaluable experience of working in a multi-country, cross-cultural project team. With the aim to foster internationalization, this depth of participation really helps students to work effectively with people of different cultures. On behalf of students and course instructors, I wish to sincerely thank all the organizations who are involved this year for their guidance, support, and generous sponsorships.
I'm Sam Chiu. I'm a professor here at the Management Science and Engineering Department. In this particular class, students are expected to create their own model. So they are not given homework. They are given a very general description of a problem, and they try to make sense of it and try to formulate and help the client with a solution. It takes initiative and teamwork for them to work together, not just within Stanford, but also reach across different cultural background and over long distance throughout the quarter.
Globalization. So it's not just a real hands-on problem, actually it should be a globalized problem. So that there's some uniqueness that the project really need the two sides to work on.
So I think if the student who want to join this course, definitely they have to expose themselves to the multicultural background, such as they can team up with the student who are exchanged from the other school, even when they study the course in the UST.
Because so far, the thing is like this course has different cultural backgrounds. We have Stanford students and we have HKUST students. In the HKUST students, we have some other cultures like in my team we have Switzerland guy, Sri Lankan guy, and Hong Kong, England. And then Stanford side we have Bolivian, Indian, Hong Kong girl, so forth and so on. So this is one of the challenges that we have when we're working with different cultures. We have to make sure that we understand the values of those cultures. This is one of the challenges, and another big challenge is the time difference, because it's two different continents. It's like 16 hours time difference. Sometimes we have to do meetings midnight. Sometimes Stanford guys have to keep awake until the midnight to go on for the meetings. So this is one of the challenges that we have, but so far the course was really good.
I definitely learned how to coordinate with people across the globe, like in Hong Kong and US, and also I learned how important the communication plays a role in this whole project. And also I started to realize that every project is probably going to be very different than you thought in the beginning, so be prepared.
Because the semester is quite short for this course, so every week we have to push quite hard and we have to find it out how to achieve the goals, and always to find out which kind of work we have to do, and also we have to communicate with the company, because a lot of work cannot be done just by our internally research. So I think the challenging thing just maybe how we can cooperate with the company, and also have a very clear communication with our team in Stanford side.
We have learned Yes, in my current studies as well, I have been dealing with some industrial problems where I need to find solutions for them. So even during my study and even after my studies, I definitely have to deal with the industry and maybe probably join the industry. And when I do that, I think this will be a great experience that I had to successfully apply those things I have learned from this course as well.
To others.
If you want a course that gives you experience with consulting, hands-on experience working with students, half a continent, half a world away, then this is the best class to take. You get to do a very cool project. You really get to dig your hands into the material and develop some really nice, at least I was able to develop some really nice relationships with my team members and with my project.
In the beginning, when I met the Stanford student in the Stanford University, I feel that I am a little bit shy to express my opinion, because when we have a discussion with the Stanford team, then they can express their opinion very well and in fluent language. So at that time, I feel a little bit shy to express my opinion, because I think that my opinion is not as well as the others. So I speak very little at the beginning of the projects, but now I feel very more comfortable to express my opinion, because whenever I express my opinion, the Stanford students feel very welcome to all opinions and will immediately get some feedback to us so that we can grow and learn more. And now I'm more comfortable to express my opinion.
Most challenging part of the project, I think, was to actually work with the client to define the problem.
I actually find this course really challenging, first of all, because the expectation is really high. We have to face the pressure from our client, which is a real company in the world who sponsored us for a big amount of money. And also, we also face pressure from the professors and from our peers as well, because they're all very smart and set the expectations really high. So to overcome this challenge, I believe that to continuously improve yourself and learn new skills are very, very important.
Global manufacturing.
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 Go. Global manufacturing. Global manufacturing.
Global manufacturing.
Global manufacturing.
Global manufacturing.
Join us. Join us.
Join us.
Join us. Join us. Join us.
Come and join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Global manufacturing. Join us.